Yes guys, welcome to a new video, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to play Spotify through Apple Carplay. So how you do this? To do this, what we need is we need a cable with on one end a USB-C side, and on the other end I have here a side for my iPhone. So the USB-C end you plug in here, and then the end of the iPhone I put in my iPhone. Like this. Now we just wait. Reading USB. It's already on. I just go to Spotify, and then if I just take any song, let me do this one for example. It is now on. Like this. So guys, hope this video was helpful, and then I see you in the next one.